All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome back to Operation Da Nang, to another series of more hidden gem of Da Nang City. Um, so I know many of you that come to visit Da Nang, and if 99% of you is going to take that trip up the Hải Vân Pass, which this is where I'm at right now. This is the pass of the part of the pass right here. And along the pass, there are many rest stop, coffee shops, if you will, that you can pull over, check out the scenery, enjoy the coffee. So today I'm going to show you this one, Hoa Mây Ngàn, right here. There's the pass. You see all those big fuel tanker going up that way. There's the ocean. Straight across over there is Da Nang City. And the name of this place is Hoa Mây Ngàn, right here. If you're on your scooter, you will come and park your scooters right here. And check this out. Very cool, right? And then here is the reception right here. You can come here, order your drink, and then take it to the table. I am going to order my drink, and then we'll go from there. Hold on, please. Hello. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, here we go, everybody. While I'm sitting here waiting for my drink, check out this little cafe right here, Hoa Mây Ngàn. What do you guys think so far? They've got chips. So the coffee was 50K and then another 25K for my sunflower seeds. Pretty cool, right? Oh, thank you. All right, let's go. Let me go and show you guys around. There are no seats available up here, so let's keep going. There are more seats down here. You can sit here also if you like. Let's go somewhere quiet. Let's go all the way down so I can show you guys. Very chill, right? What do you guys think so far? Let me know in the comment. See? There are more seating right here. Here, look up. It's way up there. See? So let's get back up here. Find a place to sit down. And let's explore some more and show you guys more of this beautiful cafe rest area, if you will. Here, maybe I'll go sit over here. Over here. It seems to be Pretty quiet, pretty chill right here. Yeah. See, you go up the Hải Vân Pass and you can come here, sort of get back with, get back to nature a little bit. And enjoy the fresh air. Let me know what you think, okay? I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for hanging out. Take care.